What is going on, my friends? Hank here, and welcome to the new and improved SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling Studio. It's been a very busy few weeks around the holidays, as I know it is for everybody this time of year, and I haven't got a ton of bench time lately. But as you can see, I have been able to work on some major upgrades to my workspace. As I've said since the very beginning, I'm reinvesting all of your support right back into the channel to make it bigger and better than ever. I want to give you guys the best, most professional scale modeling content that I possibly can, so we can all learn something together and have a great time along the way. So with that said, we've only got time for a few videos left for this calendar year, and I want to make one of those videos a question and answer video. I enjoy reading all of your comments and questions on these videos so much, and I figure this is a great opportunity to hear from you guys and answer some of those questions in a video. So if you've got any questions at all for me, whether they're about scale modeling, World War II history, about myself, about my new setup here, how I film model content, etc., now is your chance. So pop a question down in the comment section below, and I will post a video next week answering as many of them as I can. I think it'll be fun. So just a short and sweet one from me here today. I'm looking forward to your questions and having a great little chat about them next week. Have an awesome weekend, everybody, and until next time, be well, happy building. Cheers.